Jocelyn with David and Jessica. We're at his aunt's she got a little farm here. Yeah, we're gonna pick some vegetables and I think we're gonna go back to his place, go on his rooftop. He's got chickens there and we're gonna make some fried rice with the chicken eggs and whatever we harvest here, the vegetables that they got going on. Oh, it's nice.
This is what I imagine my garden to look like someday.
Someday, huh? First day we got to Seattle, we went fishing, or we were gonna go fishing on the river, and I went to this part of the river that was there's so many salmon. It was insane. It was like thousands of salmon in this little river stream. Just one part of the river had all of them in there. And I was trying to cross that river. The river is sort of deep, maybe 3-4 feet deep. And yeah, I was trying to cross it. And right when I was crossing it, I lost my balance in the river and dunked my Sony A6400 camera, the camera that I get all my nice slow-mo shots with. Yeah, I accidentally dunked that one and literally just broke. I was taking it to Best Buy, made an appointment and everything because I had a warranty. And next thing you know, like 4 or 5 days later, after I dunked it in the water and it wasn't working at all of a sudden, 5 days later, it started working again. I got the drone footage though of the salmon, pretty amazing. There's a ton of vegetables. There's plenty of vegetables here. Eggplants.
Yeah, I saw them.
Jocelyn's jealous of all the vegetables. Take this jalapeno right here. Some green onion. Tastes good. It's pretty sweet. All right, I'm gonna take some of that. We got chicken. It's pretty soft. I'm going back home.
Alright, I'll take it down.
David says they lay eggs every other day. And we got these nice fresh chicken eggs. Beautiful.
And these should have some red yolks in them because I've been feeding them red chili peppers.
Oh, nice.
So the colors are gonna be a lot different.
I love those. I love those red colored yolks. And these are all the eggs you have right here?
Yep.
Boom, all from them.
There's some tiny ones from our smaller chicken and then some bigger ones.
And now I'm gonna make some fried rice. We're gonna make some Japanese style fried rice, which is a little bit different because we use ketchup instead of like soy sauce. And we're gonna make omurice, and we're gonna make the style of omurice where it's called kichi kichi omurice. There's a guy on Instagram that went pretty famous a few years back, and he makes this type of omurice that is, first of all, omurice is just like fried rice covered in egg, and it stands for omelet rice. So in Japanese we call it omurice. And yeah, so I'm gonna make some omurice, but I'm gonna make that kichi kichi style where he makes almost like a French style omelet and cuts it at the top and just folds over the entire rice. So I've never actually tried it out. I've never tried to make that, but we're gonna try it out today, see if I can make one. I cut up some garlic, onions, also cut up some kale, some green beans, some carrots, some jalapenos, and some tomatoes as well. And we're gonna put all that in the fried rice that we're gonna make. I have some crab that I got the other day. I got one Dungeness and got one red rock crab. There's probably a lot of juice in that inside the carapace here.
Okay, so you want me to flip it?
Yeah, let's save that.
Okay. I don't wanna mess it up.
There's probably a good amount of, yeah, there you go.
Yep.
Ooh, that's what we're looking for there. Ooh. All right, we're gonna save that to the side.
Did you guys go on the boat?
Yeah, I just dropped, had a kayak.
Oh, okay.
So we just dropped the pot off the kayak. Yeah, the owner of the place, he's got a bunch of kayaks and stuff. So, and he had a crab pot. He just let me borrow that. Right, we got everything cut up and we got all the crabs separated from the shells. So, gotta walk here. Gonna start up the fried rice. All right, put some oil in there. Just throw the onions in there. Onions, peppers, garlic going in. Ooh, smells so good. Got carrots and green beans. And let's put the kale in there too. Why not? And the tomatoes. We'll just keep the green onions out for now. Actually, this is the white part of the green onions. We can cook that up. A little sea salt. Black pepper. And we got leftover rice that David cooked yesterday. Perfect for fried rice. So this is where it's gonna get weird for most of you. In Japanese fried rice, we use ketchup. So, gonna put a bunch of ketchup in there. I don't make my fried rice with ketchup too often, but my mom used to do it all the time. Did you guys see the Uncle Roger stuff? Yeah. Hey, if he saw me put ketchup, he'd be like, "Hiya, ketchup and fried rice. At least you got the wok, hey." We need more ketchup.
Oh, he didn't like salmon.
Chicken's right under me right now while I'm cooking fried rice. I'm just gonna pick the chicken up, put it in here. All the Dungeness crab, and there's one rock crab in here too. Oh, so much crab. I'm not gonna put the egg in here because we're making the topping as the egg. It kind of folds around the rice. That's the essence of omurice. But the fried rice part is pretty much done. We got crab and garden vegetable fried rice with ketchup. All right, gonna put this off to the side. Normally, for the kichi omurice, he uses like a demi-glace sauce, but I'm gonna make like a red sauce since we're doing crab fried rice. The demi-glace won't really go well with that, so I'm gonna make a tomato-based sauce. Or you could just go straight ketchup right on top. But I just have shallots and olive oil in here. Just gonna sweat the shallots. Gonna add a little cornstarch. I have the juice from the crab head, and I'm gonna add that right into the sauce. That's a gill, we don't need that. We'll mix this in. And a little water. Oh, this is gonna be the tasty sauce. Crab flavored. And we got tomato paste right here. Oh, this should be a super tasty sauce. I'm gonna boil it a little, so we're not eating the guts raw. All right, we're just gonna reduce this just a little bit, and we have our sauce.
Yeah, like it's gonna be cloudy the entire day.
Okay.
We're around 6, 7.
Yeah.
Trying to think of spots where you guys can.
That's good for a sauce. We'll put that off in a bowl, and I'm gonna use this nonstick to try to make the omelet part. So David doesn't trust me, so he wants me to use practice eggs. He brought me these store-bought eggs. See how many tries it takes me to actually make a proper one. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I can't even make it. Kind of pressure's on, because I've heard some people trying it and not being able to make it. All right, Jocelyn was able to make it her first try. She said it was, she cut it wrong, but.
I did. Well, because it wasn't a thing. Like, well, it was, but you know, it wasn't the viral. Yeah.
I got 2 eggs. We're trying with 2 eggs.
I just knew because I went to the
I think the trick is to have the right temperature on your pan.
And then they just dump it on and ease it out.
All right, here we go. Come on. Might need another egg. 2 eggs, I think, is a little too small. All right, the form isn't quite there. It's a little off shapen, a little misshapen, but let's see. There we go. All right, let me just put this off to the side. That was just a practice one. I got the hang of it. I think I can do it. I think I just need to use more egg and it'll be perfect. I'm gonna go for it with the real chicken eggs. Well, I guess those are real too, but the chicken eggs that are from here, David's chicken eggs. Let's see how these eggs look. Ooh. Beautiful egg. These are beautiful eggs, man.
Thank you.
Oh man.
Feed them red peppers so they turn more red.
You want to eat this one raw?
I do. Do you ever eat it raw?
I haven't, no.
No? Oh man, I love eating chicken eggs raw.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's a very Japanese thing to do. Raw eggs like this on hot rice and just put soy sauce on it, mix it up. Delicious. All right, here we go. Ooh, this one's cooking a little fast. I'm gonna fold it in. Let this side cook a bit. Scrape that side. Tilt it over. And right here, I'm going to just try to flip it over. There we go. Right, just like that. And just cook that underside real quick. Scoot it over. Scoot it up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. That knife is a little dull, so I'm gonna use my pocket knife. There it is. That's a pretty solid one. And I have the sauce right here, right on top. Little sprinkle. Oh, I was looking at the screen. Little sprinkle of aonori. Well, there it is, guys. That's my attempt at the kichi kichi style omurice. And yeah, as long as you have a very good non-stick pan, it's not that hard. You know, it didn't fold over. It didn't fall over perfectly, but I think I just need to get it a little bit more round instead of flat. I kind of want to try one more time, but the sun is setting. We're gonna eat this real quick and I'm gonna try again.
It's creamy. It's really creamy. Right? The sauce is good too.
Everything is so absolutely fresh. Caught the Dungeness crab just the other day. These chicken eggs just straight from these chickens. All the vegetables from the garden. Can't get fresher than that.
These green beans are really good.
The green beans, yeah, nice texture. Sauce is delicious. Nice, like tomato-based sauce with a hint of that crab juice, you know. It's pretty fun making this. I could see myself just getting real good at it, because this was literally my first time trying making these eggs. And honestly, as long as you have a non-stick pan, I think you can do it. Anybody can do it. Well, that was pretty fun. Really tasty eggs. Love fresh eggs. And yeah, I'll practice more on that, the omelet. But yeah, pretty much there. I think maybe 7.5 out of 10. It could be a little better. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.